Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about comparisons with the logical OR operator. The logical OR operator returns true if either of the operand is true, otherwise it returns false. In the case of the AND logical operator, both of the things should be true, then only it will give us a true value, otherwise it will give us false. So in this case, the logical OR operator is composed of two pipe symbols, and this can be typically be found between your backspace and enter keys. So the pattern below should look familiar from the prior waypoints. Here we have a if statement, another if statement, then we have return yes. So it will return yes only if the number is between um, 5 and 10. The same logic can be written as if number is greater than 10 or number is less than 5, it should return no, or else it should return yes. So here we need to combine the two if statements into one statement which returns the string outside if val is not between 10 and 20 inclusive, otherwise return the string inside. So here we have a function here, test logical OR. Here we have the parameter, here we have two if statements, and we need to edit this part. So we as you know, we need only one if statement, and here if the value is not between 10 and 20, it's not between 10 and 20 inclusive. Okay, so it should give us outside. It should give us outside if it is less than 10 or val is greater than 20. Okay, so it will be outside, and if it is between 10 and 20, then it will give us 15. I think in this case it should give us inside. Console.log. So you can see here we have got inside. So if we change this to something like 25, then we will get outside. So when we run the test, we have successfully completed that test. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.